and Patsy. 1, 2. Okay. What I go a little bit faster. There we go. How's that? Okay. So what we have here is a triple kick forward, rock and drag, run and pull, pull, pull. Do that twice. Double basic. Line left and right, rocking chairs, and instead of a hip step line, I want to teach you something. Give me a slur basic. Do the right. Now give me a run slur step. And now I want you to go, and you're going to rock in front, but it's rock, step, rock, step. That's all. That's the only difference. It's a slur step, rock in front, and then a slur basic. Slur step, rock in front, twice, slur basic. So it's 8B, and it's called a slur twisty basic. It's so weird. Slur twisty basic. So first you do the slur twisty. Slur and rock in front, and slur basic. And a slur, step, rock 1, rock 2, and a slur basic. Just counting. And a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5, and on your own. Rock, rock. I found it online in an Australian thing, and it was kind of cute. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, but that's how the lady did it. So that's the only thing we're changing. You can do triple kicks, you can do triples, fancy doubles, triple in a box. I don't think anything's going to totally wig you out. 8 count wait, triple kick, forward, and rock and drag back.
I won't hurt you.
I'm just trying to live this.
Oh, don't worry about that.
Triple kick, forward.